good. Look. Okay. Okay. Niggas want beef. I'm the nigga that got it. Everything go smoking around this bitch is exotic. Bitches fucking for whatever in your pocket and knowing me, I can't tell that bitch to stop it. See, I been out in these streets on these. I been posted up. Tell my niggas match it up. Hell yeah, I'ma roll it up. Smoke it, I'm choking. I straight up roll it. She poking. She wanna fuck and I'ma dive in her ocean. I get her moisturized, no lotion. She want that Tellus B. She say I'm that magic potion and I get it, I got it. Pockets full of hundreds, and soon as I pull them out, all the bitches coming, they be running like track and field, and they say Tellus kill every beat that he own, and that's straight up real. I mean, he straight up chill. One of the illest niggas out. Niggas shut your fucking mouth. What the fuck they talking about? I mean, you really embarrassing yourself. Tryna come up with the real nigga, you niggas need help. It's macaroni time, like Lil Perk say. And I'ma get that money any kind of fucking way. I got to get it, got the real rings in my ear. Used to wear that fake shit, but not no more over here. AE on my back, hoes on my back, and a whole lot of clothes on my back. Like who is that? Louis V, laced up, that is me, Tellus B. Hoes might see me on his ease, walking down the street, post it up, not this bitch, toast it up. What the fuck that nigga doing? I don't even give a fuck, the door open. So now that shit let in air. And I'ma breathe. Everybody get a shot of this air. Come up over here. I'm just trying to make her come up over here. And she's about to come up over here and shake something. Bake something. I'm finna make something happen. She straight up missing it. I get her flying, I'm Aladdin. Or whatever you call them. Who the fuck brought them? I mean, I'm balling on these niggas like every fucking day. Starting in the game, man. I don't even play like it's crazy, cause I just came from the barber shop. And bitches see that fresh cut, they don't wanna stop. Jumping like it's IHOP. Oh, breath of time in this bitch and I'ma eat good. Just a young nigga really tryna get out the hood. And I mean it's all good, because I'm all hood. Fresh as fuck, gotta get it like a bar good. Bar hog in this bitch, I'm taking over. Lucky ass nigga, ain't never had 4 leaf clovers, ain't never had nothing given. Always had to go take it, chances are never given. That's why I went and take it down. Opportunity knocking at the door, I was asleep. Life is a bitch, and she don't fuck with me, so I don't give a fuck. Y'all know what it is. Say he got that dope, go on run it up. That's just how I live. I mean, it's hot as fuck up in this bitch. I'm smell like fuck up in this bitch, and still I'm gonna keep rapping in this bitch till I end up rich. Say he wanna hit the bitch, he can go and hit the bitch. I'm just trying to hit a lick. 50 mil, we all rich. Hell yeah, I'ma eat with who I starve with. And if you lame, I'ma get you sharp in this fucking bitch. I don't give a fuck. I mean, I don't give a shit. I'm that shit, nigga. Hold your nose, bitch. Fold your clothes, bitch. Cuff my pants up. These hoes like that shit. They say I'm handsome. They say I'm fresh and I can't even not deny it. When she say she want a nigga, I say come on, bitch, and try me. Let's get it. Nigga, I am with it. I get a close up on her skin like a fucking fitted. What them niggas wanna do? I'm out here. A lot of niggas scared me, nah, not here, nigga. 4-5 on my hip, 40 in the clip. 4 shots in your head, 3 in your lip. I don't give a fuck, it's whatever, ho. I'm on some other shit, I'm thinking clever, ho. I'ma fuck her in the studio, won't that lie? And I'ma let her hit the door. Where she tryna go? I don't even know. She wanna buy some shit, don't say hoes to the stove. Man, the beat finna stop.